welcome back to my channel. This is Vakas and you're watching Vakas Tech. In this short tutorial I am going to show you how to fix Snapchat camera lagging when try to record any video. So a lot of iPhone and Android user also complain that. So in this video I am going to show you how you can fix if you are facing that issue. So without wasting any time, let's start video. Firstly, open your Snapchat and check if you have facing any lagging issue on Snapchat video recording. Okay, so in my case you can see appears on screen it's not lagging. If you face any kind of lag issue on your Snapchat camera, just update your Snapchat to the latest update. If you don't update yet on your Snapchat, just update your Snapchat to the latest update and fix that issue. If that method not working, then uninstall your Snapchat and then reinstall it on your iPhone or Android and easily fix that bug. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix Snapchat lagging issue on Snapchat camera during recording. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.